Do you want to turn your still image into a stunning animation? In this step-by-step guide, we'll walk you through the process of animating a still photo and creating an engaging image-to-video transformation. This tutorial is your key to bringing your images to life. Before I start my video, I want to tell you about a tool called Items. It is an AI-powered designing tool which provides one-click product generation and delivery solutions. It helps everyone bring their creativity to life and making design simple and accessible. Now I'm going to show you how to create AI designs in seconds. Click on Get Started button. After coming here, you can create your designs in two ways, one through text to design and the other through edge reference. First, let's talk about text to design. We will enter our prompt in the prompt box for whatever design we want to create. By going to the parameter settings, we will select the parameters related to our design. By clicking on the Design button after a few seconds, it will give us 4 best designs prepared according to our prompts. As you can see, it has prepared very beautiful designs of handbags for us. Now we talk about edge reference. By clicking on this plus button, we will upload the image of our design and then enter the prompt in the prompt box. And then click on the Design button, and it will create 4 best designs similar to your image in front of you in a few seconds. Finally, let me tell you that Items is an AI-based design platform that provides one-click product generation delivery solutions. It helps to bring everyone's creativity to life and make design easy and accessible. Whether it's a personal project or a brand concept, Items gives you the opportunity to become a reality. If you want to bring your design to life and create your own custom pieces, join their Discord channel and contact their official customer service team for customization. I have given the link to this AI-powered designing tool in the description below, from where you can use it for free. Now let's get back to our topic. After clicking on the link given in the description below, the Kling AI website will open in front of you. Here you can see we have a couple of different options, like AI images and AI videos. First we will click on the AI videos button, and after that we will click on the image to video button. By clicking here, we upload our image that we want to animate. In the prompt box, type your prompt what we want to see in our image. With the help of this motion brush tool, we can control the movement of various objects in our image, for which we have to click on Draw Motions. Inside, we can control how we want specific elements of our image to move. It takes a few seconds to analyze the image. When it's done, you'll have this auto segmentation tool, which basically uses AI to select parts of the image. I'll select the airplane in this image. In the Settings tab, we can use a slider to control creativity and relevance. The higher the slider is, the more the video follows a prompt, and the closer the slider is to creativity, the more freedom the video generator has to create what it wants. Next we have the video length. Choose between 5 and 10 seconds. With number of generations, you can generate 1 to 4 videos simultaneously. After satisfied with your settings, click Generate button to start the processing. You can see that it has provided an amazing animated video as per our prompt. The result is really astonishing. It looks exactly like a real plane landing. Let's try another image and see what kind of result it provides this time. Now we upload the image of this car. In the prompt box, type your prompt what we want to see in our image. Let's now using the motion brush tool to animate our image. It takes a few seconds to analyze the image. By turning on the auto segmentation tool, we select the vehicle with the help of this tool. Now we will click on track 1, and with the help of this tool we will move the arrow in the direction in which we want to take our vehicle. Click on the Confirm button. Rest we will leave all the settings as they are and click the Generate button. In a short time it has converted our image into a video. Let's play it. Oh! What a stunning result! You can see that not only the car is moving but also its indications are playing. I hope you've learned new things from this video. If so, I expect you to like the video and share it with your friends. This will give me motivation to make the next video. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on upcoming AI videos.